Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can obtain the circular link signal in Heartopia game to complete the Spark of Romance event. Okay, this is the event guys. First of all, you need to claim your role, and I've already claimed my role today. I got Paddy, and if I want to obtain circular link signal, I need to link with Wolfie, Wolney, or Paddy. And I'm going to find another DG member who has this role. Okay, I think this one has the role, so I'm going to try to link with this player. I'm going to tap on Ling and I hope that she can accept my request. Oh, she's adjusting her home. So yeah, wait. Okay, I'm going to try with this one. I'm going to Ling. You done? And I'm going to check. Okay, I just got the circular link signal. It means that this player has the role above. And I'm going to claim it. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how you can obtain the circular link signal in Heartopia game to complete the Spark of Romance event. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!